very quick video ski. Yes, everything's got a ski on the end of it. Watching Black Widow. What's inside your Bluetooth earbud? Earbud. That is your button, which, if you push it too many times, breaks. Mine fucked after about 4 weeks. However, this is possibly due to the fact that you've got one little pin here. So its only function is to push one button on the circuit board there. Yes, I need a new phone with a decent camera and focus there. That's what it does. The only other feature inside the cover is a small LED light. That is it. That's all it does. Nothing else inside it. Useless. Inside the rest of it, come back, you bastard, is essentially these two connectors are the transmitter for the power, so you can recharge your battery. Now, you see all the videos online about how lithium batteries like to combust and blow up. Well, that is a lithium battery that you are shoving inside your ear. It's only a small thing, but with lithium, that's more than enough to melt a hole through your skull. It doesn't take a lot to damage your hearing, as I well know. That's your circuit board, your one and only circuit board, which acts as a receiver for your Bluetooth, and officially a receiver for Wi-Fi. That's that little thing here, which is not supposed to do. But that's how companies make their money, is from Wi-Fi. Inside you have, the biggest feature is that silvery shiny thing there is a magnet, which is not good to have near your brain, but still, it does stop it from falling out of your travel case. 2 connectors for your power supply to charge your battery. That is pretty much it. So that is what is inside your earpod bud. Ding. Biggest thing is your power storage. Yeah, for all the modern technology and things have evolved, energy storage really is still the one thing that lets down most technology. Because even with a battery that size, it's not powering that much. A small speaker in there, that's all it's doing. And yet, that battery is not going to last more than a couple of hours. So, there you go. I was bored. It was broken. Took it apart. Only about 2 months old. And completely fucked. Guess I'm going to be using the left earbud for my right ear.